welcome to my first YouTube video. So guys, my videos will be related to the product reviews, the tricks and tips for the beauty hacks and clothing hacks, product reviews as I told, and also about the products that I am personally using and I'm in love with that. I'll be showing you lots and lots of products from the bucket of my beauty products. And now without checking your patience, let's just dive into the video. So today the first product that I'm gonna show you is the blusher. So let me find where I kept my blusher, just a minute. So guys, this is the first product that I'm gonna talk about and give you the proper review. This is the Wet n Wild Color Icon Blush. So here you can see the Wet n Wild Color Icon Blush. This is the blusher guys, and being a girl, trust me, who do not like that, popping out of your cheeks with the peachy, pinky, mellow wine, any of the shades. So guys, this blusher that I'm talking is from Wet n Wild. It's Color Icon Blush, and this I have been purchasing from the Nykaa app. You can find it anywhere from any online store such as Amazon, Flipkart, Purple. I have been buying this from Nykaa. So I bought this for rupees 399, but during the time of sale, there are time when sale goes on, and during time of discount you get lots of discount and you can get it in less than 399. And now talking about its shade, I bought the shade that is Mellow Wine, and there are a lot more shades available. You can go for anyone that suits your skin. I bought the shade Mellow Wine and it goes very well, perfect with my skin tone. I'll be having a swatch for you and I'll be showing you how it looks, on your skin. So I'll be just opening this, rubbing my finger, and now I'll be showing you its swatch. So here you can see how it looks on your skin. It's amazing, amazing, amazing. I really am in love with this shade Mellow Wine. Coming to its quality, it has some of the glitter particles, but you cannot say that it's very chunky, or it's like you cannot wear in the daytime, it will pop out. No, it's not that. You cannot see the glitter, as it's very, very, very fine. Glitters are very fine. The glitter used in this are completely negligible. You cannot say that you cannot wear in the daytime. It's not like that. You can definitely go for the daytime, evening time, night time, anytime you wish to. So if you are finding a affordable blusher that works flawless on your skin, I would definitely recommend you all guys, just go and give a try to this Wet n Wild Color Icon Blush, because I am in love with this. As I told you, it works flawless on my skin. Just go and give a try. I would say this is worth for the penny, and it works amazing. Its result is just flawless. Just go and have it. So friends, this was all up for today's video. That was all on the Wet n Wild Color Icon Blush, and if you like my video, just give a thumbs up and do not forget to press the bell icon so that I can bring lot more videos for you and you get to know that. Till then, bye bye, love you.